Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can embed your boards from Whimsical, for example, to embed them on a website. So let us dive into this. So obviously for this method, you will need the HTML embed code for your board. So in the first step, navigate to your board. In the Whimsical account, select your workspace in the top left corner. Then navigate to your team and navigate to the board inside this folder, right? And then guys, click into share in the top right, switch to embed, and then you will see the embed code here, right? And you can, for example, enable public access. If you disable it, only your workspace members will be able to see the embedded board, of course. So no matter if you're, I don't know, embedded, for example, you can embed it as a presentation here. That's it. Click into copy to your clipboard, navigate to your website, and paste the embed code there to embed your board from Whimsical. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some real value from it, and we catch you later.